Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we just passed World Password Day. That happened on May 7th, Thursday, and usually every year I have a video that talks about, the bad habits that a lot of people have about passwords. In fact, Microsoft on World Password Day said that they are accelerating the move to passkeys rather than passwords on Microsoft services, as passkeys are more secure because they require you to be identified with a device that you own. Passwords are just passwords. You don't have any device that is linked to them. Passkeys actually are on devices, so you have to use a device that has been linked with a passkey to in order to identify that it's you. So, of course, every year I like to read the most used passwords around the world, and it's a list that hasn't really changed much in the last 30 years. So, of course, number one is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty good. The second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the different variations. Password, QWERTY 1, 2, 3, which is the top row on the left, 4 letters. And, of course, the number of keys, QWERTY 1. Number 7 is one that I fondly remember as one of my clients telling me that he put as a password 111111, and me telling him that he's going to be hacked, and he couldn't believe it. He just thought, no, why? How could I be hacked? And I don't know, 7 or 8 months in, he called me up, said I lost access to my account. I got hacked. So I told you, if you want to have a tech guy, better listen to the tech guy. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, secret, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Look at all these variations. They're so easy. 0, 0, 0. Yeah, that's a good one. ABC, 1, 2, 3, password 1, I love you. Another one with ones, but a little more ones in it. Dragon and monkey and the top 20 list. So, yep, if you are seeing your password in there, I'm just going to tell you, your password is really bad and you need to have something better because you'll be hacked. And, of course, ways to also make things better is use some form of two-factor authentication. If it's a password, most websites today accept that they could send you a text message, an email, some even an automated call. And that increases the security because if the bad guys get your password, they don't have access to the second option of getting a secret code. And, of course, passkeys now are getting more and more popular where it's simply a key that is stored on a device. And without access to that device, you'll need to, you can't get in. So I've set that up on many of my devices now. And so sometimes if I get, and it's good to set it on your smartphone and everything, because if you access an account, for example, from somewhere else, if you're not in front of your PC, the passkey could be stored also on your smartphone, which means if you have your smartphone with you, you can still have access to your devices because only you have access to your devices, hopefully. So make sure that you have a good password because these are really bad. And, the most important is to have something very complex if possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.